So here we've kayaked out to one of the patch reefs, and we're going to go snorkeling with James and see what we can find. This is Elkhorn Coral. There's not a whole lot of it left in the Caribbean. Belize is one of the places where there's still quite a bit of it. And this redfish is a snapper. It's a glassy-eyed snapper. Here's James. He's found a green eel for us to look at. There's a French angelfish. Hogfish. There's Pete snorkeling in shallow water with a lot of coral. And here we are headed back in the kayaks towards Half Moon Cay after a spectacular afternoon.
Beautiful day after a stormy early start.
Weather started out stormy, but it turned out to be a beautiful day. In the afternoon,
Friday afternoon.
we went across to the deep water side for a walk-off snorkel to the big ledge. There's some really big fish on this side of the island. This is a tiger grouper, so-called because of the tiger stripes on its side. Here's a queen angelfish. They're pretty shy, but they are gorgeous creatures. Here's a squid. There's a whole lot of squid on this side as well. There's that tiger grouper again. Let's go over this rock and see what kind of big fish is here. And there is a very large barracuda. That was kind of a surprise. I didn't expect the barracuda there. Here's James. He's pointing under a rock where there's a nurse shark. And you can see a couple of pilot fish hanging onto the tail of the nurse shark. These are surgeonfish, huge school of beautiful deep blue surgeonfish. We're in water that's 10 to 30 feet deep. This is a midnight parrotfish, one of the largest parrotfish, and a whole school of stoplight parrotfish. There's a black grouper. This is a really big one, 35 to 40 pounds. Here's a quick view of some of the spiny lobsters. There's a filefish and another midnight grouper, a midnight parrotfish. So here we are on a rough boat ride on our last morning out, Saturday morning, back to the aquarium for a quick snorkel. After a week of snorkeling, we're starting to get our lungs back, stay down longer and go deeper. This is the Indigo Hamlet, Rock Beauty, another Rock Beauty. These are fairy basslets. More of the Indigo Hamlet. Took 2 years to find that guy.